Yeah, you can still go straight.
That's already close.
No.
You can turn back on that side.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, huh?
So that you can go.
Yeah, very, very narrow. The people here are so,
Yeah, because it's
Be careful.
pinapahirapan nyo naman ako masikip dito eh.
Sabi ko na nga ba, marunong ka mag-Tagalog eh.
It's a prank!
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Oh, you say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
I'm
Good
vlogger.
evening.
Okay, huh?
Oh, you're a vlogger.
Yeah, because I'm trying to record all the things that I learned from Filipino, huh? Oh, you say good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Yeah.
How about you, mom? You say good evening also.
Yeah.
Okay, huh? And what's your name?
I'm May.
Oh, May. She's June.
No.
Okay, huh?
Jane.
Oh, letter J also, huh? I told you, huh? Jane. Hi, mom. Good evening. I'm Mr. Lu.
Mm.
My first name is Gao. They call me Mr. Gao Lu.
Oh, God.
Yeah, Gao Lu. Oh, you teach me Filipino language
Yeah.
so that I can review when I see your vlog. Oh, what Filipino can you teach me?
Anong pangalan mo?
What's that?
Anong pangalan mo? What is your name?
Oh, ano pangalan mo?
Yeah.
What's your name? Okay, ha? 1-0, ha? Ano pangalan mo?
Okay.
Okay, what's your name? What else? What else?
Ano pa na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Oo.
Yeah,
What's that?
it says,
What is,
how old are
you?
Oh, how old I am.
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you? Ilan taon ka na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Okay, ha? So, can you teach me some directions? When you say going straight,
Derecho.
what's that?
Derecho.
Oh, derecho.
Yeah.
Isn't it derecho Spanish word?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Filipino
our word
and,
sounds like
mo-
Spanish.
More Filipino or Bisaya speak paano pagsabi na?
Our words kinda sound like Spanish
Oh,
because
Spanish,
of
oh.
the colonialism last. Like
Oh,
Portuguese
we're
came-
capturing.
Oh, that's a
Why?
very good word, colonist. What's that?
colonized.
Colonist. What's that?
Colonize.
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 Colony.
Colony.
Yeah.
Colony.
That's why our, voice
That's
like
why
sounds
Filipino
ours,
is
it sounds like
How come you're so very articulate in English language, huh?
because she is
like because I'm working at a call center.
Oh,
call center.
Oh, you're working in a call center?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why.
So I'm a little bit good at English.
Oh, your English is good, but I need cash. What's good evening in Tagalog?
Magandang gabi.
Oh, magandang gabi.
Yeah.
Oh, what's beautiful also?
Maganda.
Oh, see, the same, huh?
Yeah. they
Maganda.
have this-
So it's supposed to be a beautiful evening.
Maganda,
beautiful evening.
So how come it's become good evening? But beautiful is maganda.
Yeah.
Oh, your mommy is beautiful.
Yeah, that's
You're also beautiful,
Yeah.
huh? I mean, also beautiful.
No, you're not beautiful.
Why?
You're
We're
handsome.
You're
beautiful.
handsome
Ah,
or
handsome.
pogi.
What?
You're handsome and or pogi in Tagalog.
What's handsome?
Beautiful is only
For
a girl.
a girl.
Okay.
But the boy is handsome.
Oh, handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
or
you're...
in Tagalog, it will be pogi.
Pogi.
Oh, ikaw
Maganda.
maganda.
Yeah, talaga.
Ako, pogi.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Very
Oh,
good.
po.
Good.
Oh, pogi,
Okay.
ha? Pogi. Thank you, ha?
If you say to people, I am pogi, like that.
How can say to the people?
Yeah.
Maybe they're saying I'm lying, ha?
No.
We have
Special.
different charisma
We are
Charisma.
for
Okay.
people.
So we're very special. We're very
We are very special.
Okay, how come we don't have red on our forehead? Because in Chinese, if you do have red in Shapao, you're special. Oh, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, so that you can see this video. Okay, I'll just upload it, huh?
Okay. You can go straight.
Here.
Turn kaliwa. Yeah.
Okay, Kalwa. Okay.
This is my. This
Our
is our
street.
Oh, where's your street?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yeah, you can go straight.
That's too. Can go straight?
No, yeah.
Yeah, you can still go straight.
That's
Yeah.
already close.
No.
You can turn
You
back
can turn
on that
back.
side.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, huh?
So that you can go.
Yeah, very, very narrow. The people here are so,
Yeah,
Ah.
because it's
Be careful.
pinapahirapan nyo naman ako masikip dito eh.
sabi ko na nga ba marunong ka mag-Tagalog
It's a prank! Sikip-sikip naman dito
Pasaway
eh.
ka talaga.
Ha? Pasaway ba?
Yeah.
Hindi naman.
Parang
Oh.
nakikita ko to sa mga
Nakita nyo na ba ako sana?
sa mga TikTok to
Nakita nyo na ba ako? Oh, is it okay ba? Kung
Okay.
Akin naman na.
Okay lang ba i-upload ko to?
Oo, okay lang naman.
Oh, you search me Pinoy Transporter.
Pinoy Transport. Sabi ko,
Pinoy Transport?
Transporter.
Transporter, Manolito.
Transporter, okay.
Okay lang upload ko.
Sige,
Thank you. Sige. Para makita nyo